Hello players, thanks so much for joining me for another online game review where today we're taking a look at the Rock'n'Roll Rooster online slot from the good folk at Synot. This 5-reel, 3-row, 9-payline game comes with medium volatility and is themed with leather jackets, greased hair, and classic rock and roll. It comes with both wild and scatter symbols as well as a respins feature, plus the Pick the Chick bonus where players can choose their favorite chicken to earn a bonus prize. Learn more about Rock'n'Roll Rooster when you visit the full review at online.casinocity.com. Once you're on that site, you're going to have access to hundreds of other game reviews, plus bonus and special offer information that you can't find anywhere else. Simply follow the direct link that's been left for you below this video in its descriptive area.